In this video, we're going to dive into what has happened at the coin shop yesterday. We also got breaking record gold prices. We're going to dive into it all, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 3,200 subscribers by the end of September. Currently, we're at 2,953. We have grown so much in the past week. We are so close to 3,200 subscribers. So if you're not yet subscribed, please help me out and come join the good group of Coin Shop Chris. We have a lot of good folks in this channel. You guys have been great to me. We have only been doing this less than 4 months, and we're growing at a rapid speed, like silver, gold, and platinum. So please just subscribe. Let's get into the video right now. Told you guys yesterday that our shop owner had to go to pick up another bag full of 90% Kenley half dollars. Today we sold out of the last bag he just bought $750 in one day. That's one day. I've had people come in for junk silver. I had people come in for silver rounds, eagles, you name it. Gold is flying out the door at these record numbers. We're just going to dive into what silver and gold and platinum closed in the futures market yesterday for you all. In the futures market at 5 p.m., silver was trading at $32.45 an ounce. That was up $1.37. Gold broke another all-time high, $2,682.70. That was up $30.20. Silver was up $1.37. Platinum closed at $989.50, or up $27.70. These are all future prices I was looking at. So if you're looking at spot prices, they won't match. Yes, so we're selling gold. We're selling silver. We sold a couple ounces of platinum today. We even sold 1 ounce of palladium. Can't say that word too good. We don't carry that much of that, but we had a few ounces and someone asked for it, and we did have a couple ounces, and the guy did buy 1. I had another guy coming in today. He was a little not so nice, I could say. He says, but you guys jacked up the prices. I says, no, we didn't jack up no prices. Silver and gold has gone up. And he says, well, well, you're making record profits here. He says, you were selling this 2 weeks ago for a lot less. Well, yeah, because silver and gold. He says, so I asked him, I says, is any gas station going to give you a reduced price for gas in the ground already? If gas goes up 25 cents a gallon, they don't work that way. It's, it works both ways. And a lot of people don't realize if silver dips, if we buy a case of Silver Eagles today and silver dips $3 an ounce in the overnight, we're gonna have to turn around and probably sell it at just about what we paid for it and not make any money. It works both ways. We have no control. None of your coin shops, as most of you guys know, it's these, but we get some of these trolls even coming in the coin shop. I like to call them. They just don't understand how the market really is supposed to work. I'm not buying anything right this right now. I am taking a break right now. I'm not saying this is a financial advice. It's getting a little bit out of reach for me. When I see silver quarters go for $221, just back on the 12th of September, and here we are 12 days later, 13, 14 days later, and that same row of silver quarters is going for $253. That's a big uptick in price just in a couple weeks. So it is mind-boggling what's going on right now. Not surprising what's going on with the prices. This was almost expected, but gold, I said early this week we could see $2,700 gold by the end of the week, and it's not that far off. We're really about $18 short of that target price, and we may hit that even tomorrow. We might hit that in the overnight market. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. You guys know. I mean, you guys know how it works. I'm not. Don't come on here trying to say silver's going to go to $1,000. Could it go to $1,000? Absolutely, it could go to $1,000. But I tried to keep my predictions well in reason with the time frame and what I see what's going on. And I tell you, it's been a lot of new people starting to come in the stack. I talked to another couple today and they did end up buying some. They bought about 50 ounces of silver today from us, and they want to do a little bit more. I said, hey, look, cost average it out. I said, I'm not no financial advisor. See what happens over the next week. If it drops 50 cents, then you're going to save a little bit more. I said, yeah, but it could also go up. They said, I said, absolutely, it could go up. But I said, the cost average is the best way to go. Yeah, you're going to take a gamble either which way. You know, I'm just glad, you know, some of you guys have bought it for years. Some of you guys are just starting out. I'm trying to keep up with all your emails. Keep sending them to me. The email description will be in the description of the videos here. And I love helping each one of you guys out. I really, really do. I mean, you know, I don't charge nothing for it. You know, if you want to send a donation, that's fine. You can send a super thanks. You can send a PayPal donation. That will be in the description too. But there's no charge for it. You know, my goal is try to help you folks find the best prices possible. Now, where do I see silver ending up this week? Well, you know, I said 33, 34. Currently, we're seeing that. I've recorded this video at 32.45. So, yeah, it's very well possible that that prediction could come true. My target for gold was $2,700. Yes, that's going to be possible too now. It's just surprising how much gold has taken off. I'm not too surprised about silver prices because I thought that was going to happen anyways. But gold, I am kind of shocked that it's taken off this much. And I've said before, the higher that gold goes, the more trouble is brewing. The banks are in trouble. We know the banks are in trouble. I just had a friend who's from Texas. He shot me an ATM out of service. No cash in the ATM on the middle of the week. It's crazy what's going on. They don't want us using cash. We know we're going to central bank digital currency, and the only way out of that is to have some peace of mind and have some silver and gold tucked away for a rainy day. This is your bottom material. I love, you guys know I love 90% silver. A lot of you guys like the 90% silver. Yes, some don't like it. And, you know, it's whatever you know, that don't offend me if you don't like 90% silver or junk silver or Constitution silver, whatever you prefer to call it. You know, I'm willing to help anybody. If they want silver and gold, I'm willing to go take 5-10 minutes of my time going out in the marketplace and looking for the best price for you. Or you have a question on the coin, and you know, I try to research on eBay if I don't know that particular coin. And you know what? You know, some people think they have a big coin, but when eBay's selling stuff for $5, $6, $7, I mean, I'm not trying to be a jerk or anything. That's what's going on. And you know, then we take out the lowest price on eBay that sold in the last 30 days, and we're going to reduce that, you know, about 20% from the shop that we buy it for, because there's going to be eBay fees, and we have to make a little bit of money off that coin. And you know, yeah, it could sell on eBay for $10, and you know, but we might be able to sell it for $12. So we probably going to be offering $7 to $8 on something like that. Depending on the coin too. It depends on every single situation, how fast we can try to flip that. And that's with any coin shop. And I've said before, if you don't like a price and you're selling it back to a coin shop and you don't like the price, just don't, you know, that's an offer. They're not, I don't think coin shops out there to trying to rip people off. Now, I've said this before, do I think there's bad coin shops out there? Yes. There's a lot of coin shops out there shouldn't be in business at all because they don't have the cash flow to buy a lot of stuff at one time. I've said that before. The reason why I'm repeating this is because we got a lot of new subscribers out there. I just don't want anybody to get ripped off that I can help. You know, that's my goal for this channel. That's why I do my weekly market updates on the 90% silver. That's why I do one item a week. You guys have heard me rant about that before too. But we're going to see where the rest of the week ends. Buckle up, folks, because this could get interesting this week and the next week. And we just don't know where it's going to go next. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Once again, feel free. No cost of that whatsoever. I'm happy to help anybody out there. So please like, share, and subscribe. Help me out with that 3,200 subscriber goal. We're getting very close. I think we can do it. Monday is the last day of the month. We are about 247 away from this goal. Let's get it done. I know we can do this. I got faith. You guys got the power to do it. Thanks for watching. CoinShop Chris is now out.